Marami pa ba doon sa mga nabanggit nyong mga ahensya? Incumbent pa rin?
Mr. Chair, may I consult with my counsel?
Yes, you don't have to say the names. I won't, because that will have to be subject to of another investigation. But we just want to know, dun sa mga personal knowledge mo, mga nakaupo pa ba itong mga ito? Yes. Because this should also be, the DOJ should also be interested in this. If we are really serious about going after all these crooks.
You're right, Mr. Chair. The department is very much interested in that, and that is the reason why these matters cannot be disclosed right now, because there are ongoing case build-ups.
No, I'm not asking for any name. I'm
Yes,
just asking for a general question. Meron pa bang mga nakaupo?
Yeah, I think
Yes or no?
as far as that question is concerned, it's okay
Yes.
for Mr.
Meron pa
Bernardo to
bang
answer.
nakaupo na opisyal? Yes or no?
Do I have the,
Yes.
the clearance from the...
Just yes or no?
PG?
So that we are made aware.
I think yes po. Yes.
Okay. Thank you. Maraming salamat, Mr. Chairman.